What we're standing on is the richest, most precious being.
Kintsugi Village is a community hub in the heart of Detroit, and it includes daycare center, also artist incubator. This project is a beautiful way for Lifetime team members as well as the Lifetime Foundation to honor Indigenous wisdom, and it's a living tribute to that heritage.
So historically, Detroit was actually all marshland, and so here in this plot, in a way, we're bringing a little bit of that old world back up through the concrete.
The Lifetime Foundation mission is inspiring healthy people, a healthy planet, and a healthy way of life. Trees clean our air and water. They cool our cities and even help reduce stress and anxiety. Planting and protecting forests and trees isn't just good for the planet, but it's also essential for our health and our future.
There's always moments of exchange. And us planting here together is also our exchange and our gift back to the planet. And there's been a lot of trauma to the land. And because of that, we need to heal that and also heal the people around it because we've experienced that.
I believe this project is so important to the Lifetime community. We had volunteers from many of the clubs in the area. And it was so fun to have Inclusion Council team members there. We're so proud to be part of Detroit's revitalization.
With the cultural connection and the significance and really the symbolism, it really kind of hit home with that.
It's really nice having, reinvestment in this community.
In our culture, we have this word called Minoba Madzuin, which means the good life, just that we can go to that place of peace here and feel welcome. This is very much for us.
Thank you for this day. I thank you for the children, and I cannot wait until those children get to be 40 years old and see what this forest brings them.